Your project is scoped, budgets approved, and you're ready to kick off your next retail store renovation. But before you jump in, be sure to watch for these 5 common problems, red flags that signal that your project is headed for trouble. And watch until the end of the video for the one solution that addresses them all. Red flag number 1, communication breakdown. When designers, engineers, manufacturers, and installers don't talk, you end up with beautiful plans that are impossible to execute. Red flag number 2, the handoff holdup. When responsibility shifts between vendors, critical information can get lost in translation. Every transition creates the chance for things to go wrong, for balls to get dropped, potentially impacting your timelines. Red flag number 3, planogram problems. If your fixtures and crews arrive on site and your planograms are incomplete or incorrect, nothing will fit. It can't be installed, and you're facing costly on-site repairs. Red flag number 4, the blame game. If your vendors start pointing fingers instead of offering solutions, it's time to get new partners. Red flag number 5, management overload. When you spend more time coordinating contractors than focusing on your business, something has to change. If you're seeing these warning signs, it's time to make a change. And the simplest fix is to reduce the number of vendors. Successful retail store renovations, they tend to leverage a one-stop shop, a single point of contact for all their fixture and display needs. A manufacturer who can handle everything from design to installation. And this might be the one change that makes all the difference.